Google Drive has an app, which we can see up here, and that app can be used to synchronize the things that are in my drive to your computer. This has a few different advantages. One is that you can actually open a Google Drive folder on your computer and access those things. If they're in the Google format, you get a link, and when you click on that, it takes you to the web. Here we go, and it will load up. But if it's not in a Google format, it's actually going to download a copy of the folder or the file and store it on your computer, and you can double click to open that as well. Once your Google Drive content is synchronized, it also becomes findable via Spotlight. So let's say I'm looking for a folder in here called Start of Year. I know it's buried somewhere in here and I don't want to go through and find it, and I definitely don't want to use a slower web interface to do it. So I'm just going to go Start of Year in Spotlight, and actually I've got two, one for each of our campuses. This is the one that I want, and there I am. I'm in Google Drive and I can start opening things from there right in Google Drive. So all of a sudden I can find content much quicker, it's much more organized, and it's duplicated to my desktop. Some of the folders that I have synchronized to my desktop are really big, and they contain things through departments that aren't really to do with me and that I don't want on my computer. So an advanced option here is to go into Preferences and to select that instead of synchronizing everything on my drive, which as you can see would be 195 gigabytes, I'm only going to sync some of the folders, and in this case that ends up at 34 gigabytes. So some things synchronize and some things don't synchronize.